Hi guys, it's me Daphne again, and today I will be showing you how to make an origami transforming 8-pointed Ninja Star. So this is how it looks like when it's transformed. It has 8 points, and you will pull it apart just like this to make it non-transformed, so it'll have a circle in the middle. Okay, so let's get to the building process. Alrighty, for this project you will need 2 pieces of paper. Can you see me all right? Okay, 2 pieces of origami paper. Make sure, try to get it to be 6 by 6 inch. Alright, so you will start with 2 pieces of paper. You will fold them in half. Ready? And you're going to fold it back and forth many times. Then you will rip it down the middle. So as I ripped it down the middle, you'll have 2 pieces. Take one half, fold it in half, and you will do the same thing as you did with the halves. You're going to rip this, but make sure you fold it back and forth many times before. So now your paper should look like this with 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do the same with your red sheet of paper. Alrighty, after you've done that, what you're going to do with each individual slip, you should have 8 of those, and you're going to fold it in half this way, like a triangle, like this. So it's a beautiful triangle. Then you will fold it in half again, this way. It will look like this. Then you will unfold it all so it returns to its square shape. Then what you'll do is fold it in half this way, but don't fold it the other way. You will not need to do that, or it'll just waste your time. Then make sure your crease down the middle is this way and not horizontal. Then you will fold in 2 of the corners on the crease, in the middle crease, like this. Then here comes the tricky part. You're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to, well, actually keep it open, and you're going to fold, push down the middle, so now it will look like this, the flappy part here. This and solid part here. Then you will do that with all of your little slips. So once you've done that with all of your little pieces of paper, I'm going to be showing you 2 of them, what you're going to do to all of them. So you will take the flappy end, stick another one's non-flappy end into the flappy end, like this. Make sure it's straight. You can see me straight. And you will have these 2 little corners sticking out. So you're going to open this second one's flappy end, and you're going to fold down these corners into the flappy end of the second little slip. And you will continue doing that with all of them, and I will show you what you will do with the last one when all of them are connected. Alright, So once you've done that, you have all of these connected. So what you're gonna do is stick this into the flappy end. Hold on. Okay, yeah, for a second I had 9 slips. I don't know how that happened. You're going to stick that in, and as you see here, there's already one flappy end, non-flappy end I mean, in here. So you're gonna open it up and fold it in between the flappy end and the non-flappy end, and do the same with this little slip. I can show you guys. Just like that. It's finished, and if it ever breaks, by I mean like not ripped, but it just an end falls out, do what you did with the end. Good job, guys. You finished.